What's up, YouTube? So we did a little video on this truck we painted a while back, 97 F250, and we just got it back in for a couple odd and end things the customer wanted done. So I thought I'd do a good walk around and kind of show y'all a little more about the truck, show y'all the stuff we just did to it too. So we're gonna do that now. So here it is. Customer brought it back in, wanted a couple of things done to it. Wanted the side body molding, the fender trim, the polished aluminum on the fender trim, headlights, the marker lights right there, the grill, which we did the grill when we painted it, but little odd and end things like that. I thought I'd show y'all this truck though. We did a complete paint job on this thing. We replaced, like I said, the grill, headlights, orange marker lights under there. Painted it back the original color. We redid the pinstripe. Couldn't find a pinstripe exactly like factory, but I did a silver one that's very similar. And we did this, the aluminum fender trim there. Couldn't find that for a crew cab. Could find it for a extended cab all day. Not for a crew cab. So we got this universal molding that looks very similar to it, that you got to cut. So we put that on, put new mirrors on, put the four-wheel drive emblems on, or decals. They're not exactly like factory, but they're very similar. Customer put the diamond plate back on there. New tail lights, new tailgate. This tailgate was kind of too far gone, so we replaced it. Kind of a big job for us. We do a lot of collision stuff, but we do complete all over paint jobs and stuff too. So this one took a little while to get completely done, but I thought it was a pretty sharp looking truck. A lot of people like these trucks. It's it's short bed, and it's four-wheel drive, and it's the 7.3 liter diesel. So, but the interior's in pretty nice shape. Seats are in pretty good shape too. This guy takes good care of his vehicles, obviously. We put new door panels in the front because they were kind of coming apart. There's a little tear in that seat, but it's not bad. And the door jambs, we did not paint the door jambs, but we did we taped a straight line inside the door jambs. As you can see here. I think that looks pretty clean. And we just back taped this door, so you actually can't even see a line there. You can see that a little bit of a line there. Tailgate jam, we did a little bit differently. So you can see where the outer panel overlaps and is spot welded. So I just taped all in here and we painted that whole panel. I think that's a pretty clean way of doing it. I usually try to do that on the tailgate jams. Brand new tailgate. Pretty heavy tailgate. But I'll show you all up under the hood of this thing. It's all stock, but in good shape. Looks like he probably had the AC components replaced. Maybe a new compressor, but new Ford batteries. Pretty clean old truck. We'll start it up for y'all. So that's one we just got back in and did a few odd and end things on it, but we had done basically a complete cosmetic restoration on the outside. We got it all done and the customer's about to come pick it back up. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share, comment on the videos and let us know if which kind of videos you like. This is a little bit different than the way we've been doing them, but I want to try to do more content of stuff that y'all like, that's more interesting. So just kind of give us a comment and let us know what you guys think, and if y'all have any recommendations on stuff you'd like to see and maybe different types of videos, just let us know. So, thanks for watching.